How to change to another default phone dialer app on your Tecno smartphone with Android HIOS software. To find these settings and change to another dialer app, use the quick access on your Tecno smartphone. Use the settings here, this one right there. Then from here, go down until you see app management, which is this option here. And as you enter here, you're going to look for default apps, this option here. Then go down to where it says phone app, this option here. And now at default, you'll see the system one, which is the green one. But if you want to switch to another dialer app, like perhaps the Google one, just go ahead and tap on it. Sometimes it may ask you to restart your phone, and sometimes it just lets you use it right away. Now, if you only see one phone dialer app, that's because you need to go into the Play Store and type in dialer app, get the free ones. Those that are compatible will show up in this list. And that's it. You can change it at any given time, like and sub.